Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Be Your Dream Honor. Are you struggling to focus and motivated during winter season? Well, you are in luck because today we are sharing our top winter study hack. Tip number 1. Create a cozy study space that make you feel warm and fuzzy inside. Add some soft blanket and 1 cup of tea or coffee to make your study session feel more joyful. Tip number 2. Use the Pomodoro technique. It is helpful to stay focused and avoid burnout. Study in focus 25-minute increase sprint followed by a 5-minute break. And for sure this technique can you stay motivated. Tip number 3. Regular exercise. Exercise can help to improve your focus, concentration and overall mental well-being. Try incorporating some physical activity into your daily routine, even just a short walk or some stretching exercise. Tip number 4. Use music. Listening to calming music or nature song can help you relax and focus. Some studies even suggested that listening to classic music can improve your cognitive function and memory. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more study tips and hacks. Love you all. Bye bye.